Hey guys, first up I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Poco X3 GT. And guys, and this is a new incredible phone from Poco which is costing around 66,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have a 8GB of RAM with a 256GB of internal storage. And guys, and this phone also support 5G as well. The color I have is the wave blue color. So here is the box of the Poco X3 GT as you can see. So now let's quickly unbox the Poco X3 GT and now let's see that what is Poco has to offer in this phone. And guys, this phone is launched in two variants. We have a 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and the second one is 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. So now let's remove the plastic first like this. And guys, and the first thing, we get a 1-year warranty card because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. And again, one more plastic. Let's remove this as well. And you can see in the box it is very similar to the previous X3 Pro. So you can see, and guys, and this is a matte black box. Now let's open this box, and on the top we get a one more mini box, and which contain a simulation tool always as you can see. And we also get a Poco sticker, so and that's really unique thing. And also we get a quick start guide as well as a safety information. We also have a warranty card, and we also have a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter because the Poco X3 GT does not have any headphone jack. So here is a soft silicone case that you are getting with the Poco X3 GT, so that's really good thing as well. So now let's look at the adapter, and guys, you can see that we get a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. So here is the device X3 GT. So now let's out the phone from this box like this, and as you can see that, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Poco X3 GT. A flagship MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor which is based on 6nm architecture, so it is very efficient as well. And this phone also has a 67W fast charging which I don't see in this price range before. And also we get a 5000 mAh of battery size on this phone. On the front we have a 6.6-inch display which also has a 120Hz refresh rate, and on the front we have a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and that's a flagship level feature. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 64 megapixel main camera. We also have a Dolby Atmos as well as a dual speaker, so that's very good thing as well. Now let's remove the plastic, and as you can see that here is the Poco X3 GT in the blue color. As you can see on the back we get a lines, although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone, but you can see that on the back we get a matte finish. We have a triple cameras as you can see in this very different layout. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get another than the phone. And you can see, and guys, the first thing we get, now let's see the USB Type-C cable first. And you can see we get a USB Type-C cable with the Poco X3 GT, and if you want a 67W super fast charging you have to use this cable, and you can see you have to use this cable. And also we get a charger, and guys, you can see that, and this is a 67W adapter is that you're getting with the Poco X3 GT, so that's really unique thing. I did not see this 67W fast charging in this price range. So now let's put all this thing to the side, and now let's look at the Poco X3 GT. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and on the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. I believe that it does not have any micro SD card support on this phone, and you can see it does not have any micro SD card support on this phone, although inside we have a rubber, so which means that we have a IP53 rating on this phone. I'm not sure about that. On the top we have a IR blaster as well as a second wind speaker. We also have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. And guys, and the haptics on this phone, it is also really good on this phone. And guys, on the front we have a 6.6-inch Full HD IPS LCD display which also has a 120Hz refresh rate. On the center we also get a punch hole. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Poco X3 GT. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that we have IPS LCD and the display it is pretty good on this phone. So now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 120 Hz refresh rate, and on default it is on 60 Hz. So now let's go 120 Hz, and right now I can feel 120 Hz refresh rate. And now let's see about phone. And guys, you can see that we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 233 GB it is available for you guys. And also we have MIUI version 12.5 on this phone, which is based on Android 11, so that's really good thing as well. Now let's look at the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really good on this phone, as well as the haptics on this phone, it feels really good. So now let's look at the camera. And guys, and here is the camera UI of the Poco X3 GT. And now let's talk about the specification about the cameras. On the back we have a triple cameras. As you can see, we have a 64 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 2 megapixel monochrome on this phone. We also have a triple LED flash. On the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole, and here is your normal, and here is your ultra wide. As you can see, we also have a video mode. In video mode we also have a HDR feature as well, which I didn't see before. We also have a ultra steady mode, which give you a very good video stabilization. And guys, on the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD at 60 fps option as well. We also have a pro mode on this phone. As you can see, we also have a portrait mode in the mode section. We also have night mode, which is also available in the ultra wide lens as well. We also have a 64 megapixel mode, and we also have a slow motion on this phone. And you can see maximum we get a 960 fps slow motion. And guys, we also have a dual view video mode. And guys, we also have a short video, vlog, time lapse, as well as a long exposure feature. All those things it is available on this phone. So now let's look at the front camera. And guys, on the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, as you can see. And guys, on the front we does not have any ultra steady mode, but we have HDR on the front as well. And the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 4K. And the portrait mode, it is also available with the front camera. And the night mode, it is also available with the front camera. And the slow motion, it is also available with the front camera as well. So overall I have to say that, and the cameras, it is really average on this phone. Again, and the main highlight about the Poco X3 GT is the processor, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor, which is based on 6nm architecture, and the gaming performance should be really good on this phone, but I will doing my own performance test. Stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the battery life, and this phone has a 5000 mAh of battery size, and you can see, and the fast charging on this phone should be really fast as compared to any other Android phone in this price range. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco X3 GT. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.